Hello everyone! In today's video, I will show you how to assemble one of my lighthouse designs. Thank you for watching my videos and staying with me. For subscribers of my channel, I have a special offer, a 75% discount on this design on Etsy. The discount is valid for 1 month. You can find the promo code in the description. Let's start! In order to start assembling this design, I will need to cut out all the parts of the lighthouse. I want to start making this design from small balconies. To begin with, I take all the parts that you see on the video and put them together. Sometimes if I have difficulty, I use a nail file or sandpaper to smooth out the corners a little. I do this with all the details as shown in the video. Next, I want to show you how to assemble the base of the lighthouse. To do this, I will need to large parts of the base and parts with imitation bricks. Everything is simple. You just need to insert the details as shown in the video. Then I take the walls of the lighthouse and the decorative details that will be under the roof of the lighthouse. Again, I use a nail file to smooth out the edges of the parts. And then I just assemble these details as in the video. The next step, I take the base that I assembled earlier and the walls of the lighthouse. I apply glue as shown in the video and assemble the structure. Next, I take the balconies and put them on the lighthouse, starting with the largest part and ending with the smallest part. Then I immediately level the walls of the lighthouse so that they are even. I'm starting to assemble the upper part of the lighthouse. With the help of a nail file, I make the edges of the parts more even so that it is easier for me to assemble the structure. And then I do everything that is shown in the video.
Waves bounce in an instant. We strike like can say. Our hearts in dismay. Volcano and ice. Hard to find a paradise. We can't roll the dice when oceans part us twice. Fiery heart, cool my rain, pain we can't contain. You're burning me too close.
Now enjoy the final result. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. You can download 3D Lighthouse on Etsy at 75% off with the promo code YouTube Sale 75. The promotion will last for a month.
Hard to find a paradise. We can't roll the dice when oceans part us twice. Volcano needs cold blue, hopes of love so true. But seeing is rude. It's hard, it's hard. Rigid gales, melting streets, and poetry and dreams. But in reality, so far, volcano and
Thank you so much for watching my videos. All videos on my channel will be released 2 times a week, on Wednesdays and Fridays. We are waiting for another cool free design on Friday.